Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to hide story from someone in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram app in your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile picture on your bottom right corner. Now tap on three bar icon on your top right corner. Here you can find settings and privacy. Tap on it. After that, scroll down and under who can see your content you will find hide story and live. Click on that. Click on hide story and live from button. Here you should see a list of your followers. Select the specific person from whom you want to hide your story from. Again, go back. It will automatically update the changes. This will ensure you that the selected individuals won't be able to see your stories. That's it. So this is how you can easily hide your stories from someone in Instagram. That's the end of today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful and thank you all for watching. Stay tuned until our next upload.